Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do both sentences or translate into English, proverbs, idioms, pair of words from J to M, class 10, subject English. Now coming to translate into English or both sentences. First one is Mali phool tod raha hai. The gardener is plucking the flower. Second one is वो अपने वादे का पक्का है. He is true to his words. मेरा घर शहर के ऐन वस्त में वाक़या है. My house is in the heart of the city. वो आलू छील रही है. She is peeling potatoes. वो ज़िल्लत की ज़िंदगी गुजार रहा है. He is leading humiliating life. So you have to find out the tense of these sentences. Now coming to proverbs. Proverbs. First proverb is Aankh ojal pahar ojal. Out of sight, out of mind. It means you do not remind those things which are not in front of you. आंखों का अंधा नाम नैनसुख, blind of sight called Mr. Bright. If someone is not deserve to be named, which quality is not in him. So आंखों का अंधा नाम नैनसुख, blind of sight called Mr. Bright. अंधा क्या चाहे दो आंखें, a wish coming true. अंधा क्या जाने बसंत की बहार, a blind man does not judge the colors. अंधा क्या जाने बसंत की बहार, so a blind man does not judge the color. A blind man does not judge, he is not able to judge the colors. अपनी इज्जत अपने हाथ, respect yourself and you will be respected. Now coming to idioms. Pandora's box means मसाइल पैदा करने वाली सूरत हाल. His speech opened a Pandora box. Pay through nose, खमियाजा भुगतना. She had to pay through nose for her mistake. Put off, टालना. He put off return of loans. Put out, बुझा देना. The owner ordered the servant to put out the lamp. Put up with, बर्दाश्त करना. The teacher did not put up with his rude attitude and terminated him from school. Pairs of words from J to M. Words. Sentences. First pair is juncture. Juncture means khas waqt. Pakistan is in trouble at this juncture of time. Junction, खास जगह. Peshawar is a railway junction. Judicious, होशियाराना, अक्लमंदाना. His decision about joining the army is judicious one. Judicial, the criminal asked for judicial inquiry into his case. Judicial mean adalti. Liar, झूठा, he is a great liar. Lawyer, वकील, Mr. Amjad is a great lawyer. Number 4, lesson, सबक, you must learn your lesson. Lesson, L-E-S-S-E-N, कम करना, reduction in something. My soft words lessened his mental worries. Letter, खत, he wrote me a letter. Later, मुअख्खर ज़िक्र, Ali and Ahmed are brothers. The later is a doctor. Litter, gand, there is a great litter in the room due to children. Liter, माया की इकाई or unit of liquid, measurement. Give me 2 liters of milk. Now coming to pair number 7. Male, mard, nar. She has a male child. Male, dog. The peon distributed today's mail. मेन, घोड़े की गर्दन के बाल या किसी जानवर की गर्दन के बाल। He got hold of the horse by the mane. मेन, खास या बड़ा। He waited for me near the main gate of the college. मैरी, खुश होना। ड्रिंक, ईट एंड बी मैरी। मैरी, शादी। अहमद विल मैरी सून। मीट, गोश्त। ही इज़ फॉन्ड ऑफ मीट, फॉन्ड शौकीन। मीट, मिलना। ही विल मीट द प्रिंसिपल। Now coming to your activity work, write down sentences, proverbs, idioms and pairs of words in English copy. Thank you students.